Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi at Delhi Airport. First, connect your device to the GMR-free Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll be prompted to register. Simply enter your mobile number to receive a one-time password, or OTP. Input this OTP into the portal to activate your session. You can then enjoy up to 45 minutes of complimentary internet access for browsing and essential communication. After your initial 45-minute free session concludes, you might want to extend your connectivity. You can easily reconnect to the GMR free Wi-Fi network and register again using the same mobile number for another complimentary session. For those needing more extensive or faster internet, consider exploring the available premium plans. These paid options offer uninterrupted, high-speed access, perfect for longer stays or heavier data requirements. If you encounter any issues while trying to connect, here are some helpful troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your device's Wi-Fi is enabled and that airplane mode is switched off. If the OTP isn't arriving, try re-entering your number or restarting your device. Moving to a different spot might improve signal strength. For persistent problems, don't hesitate to approach an airport information desk for direct assistance. For travelers requiring more than the complimentary access, premium Wi-Fi services are available. These plans provide significantly faster speeds and unlimited data, ideal for streaming or extensive work. You can purchase premium access directly through the Wi-Fi portal after your free session expires. Various payment methods are accepted, including major credit and debit cards, as well as popular digital wallets, ensuring a convenient upgrade experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.